Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw using Citi Mobile Zelle transfers, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw money using Citi Mobile Zelle transfers, first, open the Citi Mobile app on your device. Log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Payments section on the home screen. Select Send Money with Zelle. If you haven't set up Zelle yet, follow the prompts to link your bank account. Choose the recipient from your contacts or enter their email or mobile number. Enter the amount you wish to send. Add a memo if necessary, and confirm that all details are correct. Tap Send to complete the transaction. To withdraw the transferred funds, go back to the home screen of the Citi mobile app. Select Accounts to view your available balances. Identify the account to which you transferred the money. Check for the incoming Zelle transfer notification. Once the funds appear in your account, you can access them as needed. If you need cash, visit an ATM or a branch location. Follow the prompts at the ATM to withdraw the amount desired. If you're withdrawing at a branch, provide your identification and request the withdrawal with a bank representative. Ensure you keep tracking your account to confirm the transfer has posted. Review your transaction history for any discrepancies. That completes the withdrawal process using Citi Mobile Zelle transfers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.